I want to present you this nice little toy, which is also known as a flying orb. And this one is presented as a boomerang ball, which flies, and most of the kids love playing this around. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, and we'll see if we can use it right away. So I opened the box. Comes with some accessories, charging cable, and the ball itself, the flying orb itself. It has RGB lights, and there are also some stickers. You can just design your own flying orb. And there are more stickers, so that's gonna be real fun for the kids. And of course, some instructions on how to use it. Let's see if we can use this guy right away. So just for your information, the charging port here at the bottom, on and off, also here, so you just press it once gently. Now it's charging. So I'm assuming it needs to be charged more so that we can use it. So it's recommended to charge it before using, so I'm going to charge it and I'm going to test it thoroughly. Otherwise, it appears to be a really nice, fun toy for the kids and adults. I'm recommending it.